बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। আমি আবু মোহাম্মদ আতিকুল্লাহ, ইনস্ট্রাক্টর টেকনিক্যাল রেফ্রিজারেশন অ্যান্ড এয়ার কন্ডিশনিং RAC, ঢাকা পলিটেকনিক ইনস্টিটিউট, তেজগাঁও শিল্প এলাকা, ঢাকা 1208। বিষয় কোড 67243। বিষয় কুলিং অ্যান্ড হিটিং লোড ক্যালকুলেশন। মোট অধ্যায় 10টি, ব্যবহারিক বা প্র্যাকটিক্যাল 10টি। বাংলাদেশ টেকনিক্যাল এডুকেশন বোর্ড BTEB 4-year ডিপ্লোমা ইন ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং প্রোগ্রাম, সিলেবাস প্রবিধান 2016, রেফ্রিজারেশন অ্যান্ড এয়ার কন্ডিশনিং টেকনোলজি কোড 672, 4th সেমিস্টার, চতুর্থ পর্ব, সাবজেক্ট কোড 67243, কুলিং অ্যান্ড হিটিং লোড ক্যালকুলেশন, TPC 334, থিওরি কন্টিনিউয়াস 60, থিওরি ফাইনাল 90, practical continuous PC 25, practical final PF 25, and total 200. Reference book Modern Refrigeration and Air Conditioning for Engineers, Modern Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Principle of Refrigeration, a textbook of refrigeration and air conditioning. Objectives: to provide the student with an opportunity to acquire knowledge, skill and attitude in the area of cooling and heating load calculation with special emphasis on aspect of cooling and heating load, aspect of building survey, external and internal heat load calculation, refrigeration and air conditioning plant capacity, selection of equipment, psychometric chart, solar heat gain calculation. Short description: understand the aspect of cooling and heating load, concept of psychometric chart, solar heat calculation, building survey. External and internal cooling and heating load calculation, capacity of a refrigeration and air conditioning plant, building load calculation and equipment selection. General objectives GO1: understand the aspect of cooling and heating load. Specific objective 1.1: state the different heat transmission and load calculations. Terms: cooling load temperature difference, CLTD, sensible heat gain, latent heat gain, radiant heat gain, space heat gain, space cooling load, space heat extraction rate and thermal resistance. 1.2: state the meaning of cooling and heating load. 1.3: describe constant and variable loads. 1.4: state the meaning of K, C, R and U factors. 1.5: solve problems relating to K, C, R and U factors. GO2: understand the concept of psychometric chart. Specific objective 2.1: draw and explain the psychometric chart. 2.2: draw and explain comfort chart. 2.3: describe effective temperature. 2.4: explain the following: psychometric process, sensible heating, sensible cooling, humidification, dehumidification, cooling and dehumidification, heating and humidification. 2.5: solve problems on psychometric process and comfort chart. GO3: understand the concept of solar heat load. State the meaning of solar Describe the heat gain from solar radiation. 3.3 Describe the direct and diffuse radiation. 3.4 Explain the method of calculation solar heat load. Geo4 Understand the aspect of building survey for air conditioning heat load. 4.1 State the meaning of building survey for cooling load calculation. 4.2 Mention the physical factor which should be considered in estimation of cooling load. 4.3 Explain the physical factor which should be considered during survey for heat load estimation. 4.4 Mention the non-residential cooling load. 4.5 Mention the residential cooling load. Geo5 Understand the external heat load for cooling load calculation. Specific objective 5.1 Describe the heat gain by conduction through building structure. 5.2 Explain the solar heat gain through outside wall and roof. 5.3 Describe solar heat gain through glass area. 5.4 Calculate the heat gain due to infiltration and ventilation load of door and window. 5.5 Solve the problems relating to the external heat load. Geo6 Understand the internal heat load for air conditioning. Specific objective 6.1 Describe the heat gain from the products. 6.2 Describe the heat gain from the occupants or people. 6.3 Describe the heat gain from the appliance. 6.4 State the importance of chilling rate factors. 6.5 Solve the problems related to product, people and miscellaneous load. Geo7 Understand the window type air conditioner. Understand the concept of heating load calculation. List the source of heat loss in winter air conditioning. 7.2 Describe the technique of reducing heat loss in winter air conditioning. 7.3 Explain the factors involved with the heat loss in winter air conditioning. 7.4 Calculate heating load of a classroom. Geo8 Understand the capacity of refrigeration and air conditioning plant. 8.1 List the components of total cooling load for air conditioning. 8.2 State the necessity of safety factor to calculate the plant capacity. 8.3 State the meaning of plant capacity of refrigeration and air conditioning field. 8.4 Describe the procedure of calculation of refrigeration and air conditioning plant capacity. 8.5 Solve problems related to total cooling load of air conditioning plant. Geo9 Understand the calculation of cooling load. 9.1 Calculate the cooling load of a classroom. 9.2 Calculate the cooling load of a library. 9.3 Calculate the cooling load of 2 storage building. 9.4 Calculate the cooling load of a cold storage. Geo10 Understand the selection of equipment of refrigeration and air conditioning plant. 10.1 Describe the factors to be considered for selection evaporator. 10.2 Describe the procedure of selecting refrigeration compressor. 10.3 Describe the procedure of selecting air-cooled, water-cooled and evaporative condenser. 10.4 Describe the procedure of selecting the expansion device. 10.5 Describe the procedure of selecting receiver. 10.6 Describe the procedure of selecting the size of refrigeration pipe. এই গেল আমাদের তত্ত্বীয় অংশ শেষ। এখন প্র্যাকটিক্যাল বা ব্যবহারিক অংশ হলো প্র্যাকটিক্যাল। Job number 1, study the thermal conductivity and thermal conductance chart or table. 1.1, find out the value of K of common brick, wood, cellular glass, cork board, glass, expanded polyurethane, mineral wool, etc. from the chart. 1.2, find out the C value of sand aggregate tiles, polywood and glass of different thickness. 1.3, solve problems relating to conductance. Job number 2, study the coefficient of heat transfer U factor for the structure with different wind velocity of outside. 2.1, find the U factor of a brick wall without plaster, brick wall with plaster on side, brick wall with plaster on both sides. 2.2, find out U value from the chart of hollow style cylindrical blocks, concrete block, etc. of different insulation thickness and K factor. 2.3, find out of U factor from the chart of common cold storage wall, roof and floor of different insulation thickness and K factors. 2.4, solve problems on relating U factor for common wall of commercial building and cold storage. Job number 3, study the transmission wall or wall gain load. Draw layout of your institute, library, refrigeration workshop, auditorium. 3.2, calculate U factor for the above library, refrigeration workshop, auditorium. 3.3, solve problems related to transmission load or wall gain load. Job number 4, study the solar heat gain for cooling load estimation. Calculate intensity of direct radiation on a surface on the following criteria: A, the components of direct radiation normal to a horizontal surface. B, the components of direct radiation normal to a vertical plane. 4.2, calculate the glass area in the sun. 4.3, calculate state heat transmission through glass. Job number 5, study the product load of a cold storage fish freezing plant, meat storage. 5.1, calculate the product load of a cold storage. 5.2, calculate the product load of a fish freezing plant. Calculate the product load of a meat storage. Job number 6, study the people load. Calculate the people load for a general office. Calculate the people load for a gymnasium, auditorium, restaurant. Job number 7, study the infiltration and ventilation load. Calculate the amount of fresh air, ventilated air for comfort air conditioning. Solve problems related to infiltration and ventilation load. Job number 8, study the miscellaneous load. Calculate the miscellaneous load of a library, workshop or auditorium. Calculate the miscellaneous load of a commercial market. Job number 9, study the total cooling load. Survey a commercial building to be air conditioned. Calculate the following factor: transmission load, people load, solar load, ventilation load, infiltration load, miscellaneous load, equipment load and equipment capacity. Job number 10 says study the selection of equipment of a refrigeration and air conditioning plant. Calculate the total load of a laboratory, workshop. 10.2, calculate the total load of a commercial air conditioning building. Calculate the total load of a cold storage. Select a proper size of a compressor, condenser, evaporator, expansion device, receiver and chiller. Any question যদি কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকে ইমেল করো এই অ্যাড্রেসে। পরিশেষে ধন্যবাদ সকলকে। থ্যাংক ইউ ফর অল। ধন্যবাদ।